Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to see watch history on Instagram. There isn't a built-in function on Instagram that allows users to view recent videos or historical ones. However, that doesn't mean there isn't a way for you to view the history of the Instagram Reels you have watched. There are two methods you can use to view a recently viewed video on Instagram, and they all work fairly well. So those are the two methods of viewing your Instagram Watch video history on Android. Although it's not simple, liking or saving reels are clever solutions for later revising a brief video you enjoyed. Method 1. Find like reels. Open the Instagram app on your Android. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the hamburger icon. Then from the pop-up menu, select your activity. Click on likes under interactions. And your like posts can be seen in a grid format right here. Method 2, track your save reels. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Then go to settings. Under the settings, tap on save. Doing so will bring up your privately saved posts on your account. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.